Hello, everyone, and welcome back to SpanishBuddy. I'm so happy you're here today with us, learning Spanish in a fun and simple way.
Hi everyone, I'm Carlos. I'm really excited too. Today we're going to talk about something super useful in daily life, speaking about hobbies in Spanish.
Yes, and honestly, I was just thinking yesterday. I tried telling someone my hobby in Spanish, and I completely mixed up the words. It was funny, but a little embarrassing too.
That's okay, Sophia. That's exactly why we're here. Today we'll help you learn how to talk about your hobbies in real-life Spanish conversations so you don't feel stuck or confused.
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say things like, I like reading, I enjoy music, or I play sports in natural Spanish sentences.
And not just that, you'll also learn how to ask others about their hobbies and keep a simple conversation going.
Have you ever tried speaking Spanish in real life with someone, even a small sentence?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to know your experience and help you improve.
Don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite hobby in English or Spanish, share it with your friends, and subscribe to SpanishBuddy. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Carlos. All right, let's start learning step by step and make Spanish feel easy and natural.
Let's start with the basics. In Spanish, sentences are usually very simple. Just like English, we often use subject plus verb structure. For example, I like music becomes me gusta la música. It's very simple and very common.
Here are some basic and useful examples you can use every day. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Me llamo Carlos. My name is Carlos. Me llamo Carlos. Me gusta leer. I like reading. Me gusta leer. Tengo un hobby. Tengo un hobby. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? ¿Qué te gusta hacer?
These are super useful phrases for beginners. You can use them in real conversations without sounding complicated. For example, if you want to say, I like music, you say, me gusta la música. The word gusta sounds like gusta. Repeat after me. Me gusta la música.
Good. Now try this one. Me gusta viajar. I like to travel. Me gusta viajar.
Repeat after me. Me gusta viajar. Another important one is no me gusta. I don't like. You can use it to talk about things you dislike. No me gusta el café. I don't like coffee.
Can you say this in Spanish? I like sports. Pause and try. Me gusta los deportes.
Great. And remember, Spanish pronunciation is very smooth. You don't need to stress too much, just speak slowly and clearly. Gracias sounds like gracias.
And por favor sounds like por favor.
These small words help you sound more natural in conversation.
Quick summary. Use me gusta for I like, no me gusta for I don't like, and ¿qué te gusta hacer to ask what someone likes to do.
Now, let's move into real-life situations. Imagine you are meeting a friend in a cafe or talking online.
In real life, Spanish changes a little depending on how formal or informal you are. For example, formal, ¿Cómo está usted? How are you, formal? Informal, ¿Cómo estás? How are you, friendly? Pronunciation, ¿Cómo estás?
You'll mostly use informal Spanish with friends, like, ¿Qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre? What do you like to do in your free time?
Let's do a small conversation. Hola, ¿qué te gusta hacer? Hi, what do you like to do?
Me gusta escuchar música y ver películas. I like listening to music and watching movies.
Qué bien, a mí me gusta jugar fútbol. That's great, I like playing football.
Notice how natural that sounds. Very simple, very real.
Now another situation, at a restaurant. ¿Qué te gusta comer? What do you like to eat?
Me gusta la pizza y la pasta. Perfect. First tip, use me gusta for positive feelings. Second, use que te gusta to ask questions. Third, keep sentences short. Repeat after me. Me gusta la música.
Repeat after me. ¿Qué te gusta hacer?
Write your own example in the comments, like me gusta.
And don't worry about mistakes. Native speakers will still understand you. Quick review. Me gusta, que te gusta, and simple daily conversations are key.
Now, let's go deeper into daily Spanish speaking. This is where you start sounding more natural and confident. Imagine you are asking directions, ordering food, or chatting on WhatsApp.
For asking directions, you can say, ¿Dónde está la estación? Where is the station? Pronunciation, ¿Dónde está la estación? Or, ¿Cómo llego al mercado? How do I get to the market?
If you are ordering food, say, Quisiera un café. I would like a coffee. Pronunciation, quisiera un café.
On WhatsApp or texting, people often say simple things like, ¿Qué haces? What are you doing?
Estoy en casa. I am at home.
Now let's practice a mini conversation. Hola, ¿qué haces?
Hi, what are you doing? Estoy viendo videos. I am watching videos.
Qué divertido. How fun.
Repeat after me. ¿Dónde está la estación?
Repeat after me. Quisiera un café.
Politeness tip. Always use por favor, please, and gracias, thank you.
And speak slowly. Slow Spanish is better than fast and incorrect Spanish.
Another mini dialogue. Perdón, ¿puedes ayudarme? Sorry, can you help me?
Sí, claro. Yes, of course.
Great. Now you are starting to sound like a real Spanish speaker.
Quick structure review. Asking, responding, and polite expressions.
I have to admit, when I was learning languages, I made so many mistakes. It's completely normal. One common mistake is translating directly from English.
Wrong. Yo gusta música. Correct. Me gusta la música.
This happens because in English we say, I like music, but Spanish structure is different.
Another mistake is pronunciation. Wrong pronunciation. Gracias. Correct pronunciation. Gracias.
Third mistake is mixing formal and informal speech.
Wrong. ¿Cómo estás tú? Correct. ¿Cómo estás?
Fourth mistake is gender confusion.
Wrong pronunciation. El música. Correct pronunciation. La música.
Don't worry, this is very common for beginners.
A funny example, someone says, me gusto la pizza, instead of me gusta la pizza. That changes the meaning completely.
But it's okay, mistakes are part of learning.
Practice prompts. Say correctly, me gusta el café. Say correctly, ¿qué te gusta hacer?
Remember pronunciation slowly. Me gusta, no me gusta.
You are improving step by step.
Keep going even if you make mistakes. That's how fluency builds.
Positive reminder. Native speakers care more about understanding you than perfect grammar.
Now, let's do a fun practice. Choose the correct sentence. Situation 1. I like music. Option A, yo gusta música. Option B, me gusta la música.
Correct answer is option B, me gusta la música, because Spanish uses me gusta structure, not yo gusta.
Situation 2. What do you like to do? Option A, ¿qué te gusta hacer? Option B, ¿qué tú gusta hacer?
Correct is option A. Natural Spanish uses ¿qué te gusta hacer?
Correct is option A, estoy en casa. Situation 4. Thank you. Option A, gracias. Option B, gracias.
Correct pronunciation is gracias. Gracias.
Now your turn. Say this out loud. Me gusta aprender español.
Repeat after me. Me gusta aprender español.
Try making your own sentence in comments. For example, me gusta blank.
Remember, the goal is communication, not perfection.
Great job, everyone! Today we learned how to talk about hobbies in Spanish in a simple and natural way.
We covered me gusta, asking questions like ¿qué te gusta hacer? And real-life conversations.
You should feel more confident now to speak basic Spanish in daily life.
Think about this. What hobby would you tell a Spanish speaker first?
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, comment your favorite hobby, share it with your friends, and subscribe to SpanishBuddy for more lessons. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Carlos.
What Spanish topic should we teach next? Tell us in the comments.
Keep practicing every day. Even a few minutes makes a big difference. You're doing great. See you next time.